you know this one will be demolished, then we put a block. A nice thing over here. But for the beginning, what we are going to do is we are going to do it from here up to that side.
Okay.
Square. We are going to remove this from here up to that side. All this place. That's where we are going to put the structure. Then the bath, we can put it here or we can put it at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we remove all those things from there. Remove. Your belly pipe. Your belly pipe. Into Jesus, yeah, no sir. Near the to us. I bought to my because you bought to manhole so. Papa, I bought to manhole. In Sudan, I didn't have it. Obogum. Daddy. Papa, me papa, we go on free among but or penyama ebia traditional. Into a pedal bomb will be a project.
Can you ask them all to come? As many.
Hello. Is that Nazi, Momra?
Umbra.
In the cup straight from the bottle.
Straight.
On the cup, you put some in the cup, you finish. Brakwa. This is my sister's husband.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and he is mason by profession.
Mason.
So he is going to do the work. Brakwa, you better see factory biwa. Seminar. Alex seminar factory. Dining and
Jaja.
A block.
What you need?
I need also to pick me up.
No, I can't pick you up right now. We finna do a libation right quick for the factory. Okay, Granddaddy gonna do it. So watch Granddad. You can stand with Granddad. Stand with Granddad. Yep.
Into your plan because like what we are going to do, we're supposed to get office inside.
Yeah.
On something like this. Then we're supposed to get some office inside. Mommy, right? Then after we get office inside, there must be a washroom.
Washroom, shower.
Yeah, shower here. Washroom and shower here. Then here, I think here will be blocked. Like there will be a hole over here. A hole you pass here, you can go to the office. Then you pass here, you can go to the washroom. But I think the office gate will be here.
Okay.
So that we don't have anything common with this. So here will be blocked, here will be tiles, then there will be a road to the washroom here. Then all these places where we are coming to do the work for the meantime now.
Okay.
Because we have a lot of things to do. Yes, for the start. So this is what we are going to do. But the block, we are going to lay a block, not a full building.
Right. Like with
yes.
The structure, the bamboo.
No, like we are going to have a wall like this.
Cement.
Then we put pillars. So that we put iron sheet on it. On top, so that when it is raining, yes, there will be
still continue to work.
Exactly, continue to work. So I think that is what is going to happen now. For the meantime is what I'm saying, because we have in mind to build a house so that they will be doing it inside. But for the meantime, for a start, then we see the improvement of it, then we carry it over there. Into Brakwa, we know one over two, na hano, the toilet and bath, na high office.
Can we do two, like a man's bathroom and a woman's bathroom?
Yes, like the bathroom. It's just that I am drawing it like that. But there is a place that indicates like when you go to Papa here.
Yeah.
Women
and men. Nice shower.
Oh, look at the
because here just next week. Then you start, you have laborers, then you start the work. I send you the money, you do it quick, then you see what to do. So, hi. Auntie Sibon, but you wait in check. I you wait in check for the meantime because when I go you visit them, you will left in check.
Watch his own.
Had them straight. Yeah, they are called. For me, I don't care. Yeah, by name. But Wosa, and Tian, why?
My back feel like some problem.
You're blocking it. We'll be quite not to be. So that is
Right.
good.
Zola, bruh.